Hey everyone, today we have an Android tutorial for you. We're going to be showing you how to change the settings in your Play Store so that your apps don't auto-update over your data or cellular network. It'll update over Wi-Fi only. This should save you some data charges if you're limited on data, so you can use it for fun things like surfing the web or surfing Facebook. It's really easy to do in the settings in your phone. But hey, if you're new here, my name is Ken, and this is Northern Viking Everyday, and we bring you videos on reviews and how-tos, so please consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. Let's go ahead and dive right into my phone and show you how this is done. All right, so here we are on my Android phone, and the first thing we need to do is go ahead and open up our Google Play Store. So it looks something like what you see on the screen there. It says Play Store. Go ahead and find that app and open it up. Once you open it up, it's going to look something like this, and this is where you would download apps, games, movies, and purchase books. You can see those options there at the bottom, but what we're looking for in the top left-hand corner, you're going to see three lines or what's called a hamburger menu. You can go ahead and click on that. That's going to open up a new menu for you with a whole bunch of different options. Now, once you're in here, what we're looking for, about 2/3 of the way down for myself, you're going to see an option that says Settings. You can go ahead and click on Settings. That's going to open up a new menu for you. Now, the option we're looking for in here is the second one down. It says App Download Preference. So go ahead and click on that, and it's going to open up a little pop-up menu for you. And there's a few different options in here. So the first one is over any network, and this will allow your apps to download over your cellular network if you want, which is going to use up your data. The second option is over Wi-Fi only. This is the one we're looking for today, so I'm going to turn that one on so our apps only download over Wi-Fi. And the third one is Ask Me Every Time. So if you want it to ask you if it's going to download over data, you could have that option as well. We're going to hit done, but I want to show you one other thing here. So click on done. The next option down here is auto update apps, and you might have seen my other videos on this one. Click on auto update apps, and this will allow you to turn off whether your apps auto update. So there's over any network, over Wi-Fi only, and don't auto update apps. Maybe click this one on Wi-Fi only as well. And so your apps only auto update over Wi-Fi. This is for auto update only, so if you do want them to auto update. Now hit done, and it's really that simple to turn on this feature so your apps only download over the Wi-Fi setting rather than using up all your data. So I hope this tutorial was able to help you out in changing the settings on your Android phone, saving you some data. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to connect with me on social media. You will find all those links below in the description. I would love to hear from you. Remember to subscribe here on YouTube, and until next time, take care.